We're going to be looking at subtended angles, and what subtended means is that there are angles and they're enclosed by an arc. So let's just call, let me see if I can use this pencil. This tablet's new, so I'm still trying to use it. Okay, so let's say this is circle Z, and that's the very center of the circle is how you name a circle. So circle Z, so let's say angle TZU is subtended by arc TU. Another way to write arc TU is like that. Whoops. The mark should actually go across the TU. So it should go like this. Okay, so arc TU. So let's try to find this out. So if this angle is congruent to that, which is what those red marks indicate, then we can actually see that we have some vertical angles here. So if we draw angle, or if we draw SZW and extend it, we can see we've got some vertical angles. So in other words, if I multiply this angle by 2, I can set it equal to 12x minus 2. So I can do 2, 5x plus 10, and I'll set it equal to 12x minus 2. And I'm going to wind up finding out that x is equal to 11. Okay, if we look at this one, we have what are called angles on a circumference, or we call them inscribed angles. It can be called inscribed angles as well. And if we look, we have a diameter here. And a diameter always cuts a circle in half, which is 180 degrees. So if we have to find arc NLM, which is angle NLM, well, no problem, because the inscribed angle is half the measure of its arc. So if I multiply, I like this. If I multiply angle NLM by 2, then I'm going to have that equal to arc NM. So that's how I'm going to set up the equation. But first, I've got to find out what x is. And we know that 7x minus 10 plus 13x minus 10 is equal to 180. And now we can solve for x from there. So I get 20x, because I combine 7x and 13x, is equal to 200. We find out that x is actually equal to 10. So now we can go ahead and find out what we're supposed to find out, which is the measure of angle NLM. So let's go back to the beginning. So if x is 10, then arc NM is 7 times 10 minus 10. And that means that arc NM is 60. And now we've got 2 angle NLM is equal to 60. So that means angle NLM is equal to 30 degrees. And we're finished.